Hello kids, let's find some alphabet. Here you can see I have capital letter and I have lowercase letter. So let's match all them. So let's match all the alphabet. P S J X O Z N. This is also Z. Q R G N B T M S O D X R T U W Y W V Y Ace M I E D Q C U C P Z F B A. It's also A. K. Ace. F. E. K. L. I. J. That's for today. See you in the next video. Bye. If you like this video, don't forget. That's for today. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next video. Bye.